Well, hello everybody. Hi, my name is William. I'm part of Team C. Today we will be presenting the development plan that we have established for the Crazy Dogs game that we're currently developing. At this very point, as of right now, basically what we're trying to focus on is a game that will actually go and be able to apply to everybody. A game that will actually be able to be reachable to everybody, not just reachable, but we want to make sure that most of the that this game is compatible with online devices. We want to make sure, of course, the computers, tablets, a lot of not just young people, but older people are also getting these type of devices at this point. So the basically what we're going to be using to develop the game is going to be Java. The reason why we're gonna be focusing on Java and using that as the development plan for the Crazy Dogs game is because Java is, first thing, one of the most recognizable and the largest programming and scripting software used by billions of application and devices. That fact right there alone gives us a great opportunity to be able to basically cater to anybody who is using basically Java based software. One of the reasons why, as part of the development team for the Crazy Dogs game, I decided that we should go with the Java. With Java is because one is that more than 3 billion mobile phones run Java. As you may be familiar, a lot of the games nowadays people are trying to use mobile devices, such as it could be a phone, tablets, but phones, mainly phones. Almost every household in the United States currently has a house phone. Sorry, a mobile phone. By you having that mobile phone and you being able to access an app or a game, if we're able to use that technology, we can cater everybody basically that has a phone. As long as you have a phone, you'll be able to access the game. And remember, the main goal of this game is to, one, be able not just to entertain the customer or the user, but also to be able to teach that moral lesson, which is going to be focusing on finances. Being able to do that and being able to reach so many people, it will help build more of a better financial morale. Another reason why I decided that we should go with Java is because Java is one of the top picks, of course, for most developers. Why? Because it's easy to customize. It will be easy to customize the program being used for the game. Two, it is the compatibility is, I mean, it's big. It's really big in compatibility with a lot of devices. One thing that we also want to keep in mind is that it will really help in regards about budgeting. Basically, if we want to stay on a certain budget, because Java is so compatible with so many devices and so many applications, pretty much we won't have to spend so much money in research and development to try to research how can we get the game to work on this sort of platform, or how can we get the game to work on these type of operating system. And I think by using the Java, it will give us more of an open range of what can we use and where can we actually be able to cater the game to. um, Another thing that we want to keep in mind is that Java, not just being one of the largest programming and scripting software, is also good because, like I said, it's easy for the updates. We want to make sure that we are able to update the software whenever we need to do any type of updates. Not just that, it's easier to update the Java software also. So it will be, I think it will be a good pick, and I think using the Java to develop the game will really help. One, budget, compatibility, and it will be able to reach everybody. So those are the three main reasons why we are going to go ahead and go with Java. Thank you for watching. This is Will from the development team, for the game Crazy Dogs. Have a good day.